My baby's ready for trick or treat. Sarah, you ready for trick or treat? What you gonna say? Trick or treat, right? No, go. It's time for trick or treat. Go. Go.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Look at my hair. Don't comb, so it's the head wrap behavior today. Because today is braid day. Well, starting to braid today. Today we are heading out. It's holiday here today and tomorrow. So I don't have school. I get a little break. Woke up this morning and I got my workout in, which felt sluggish because the past 2-3 days I've been eating crazy. So I'm feeling the consequence of that, and I haven't worked out properly last week because I had so much on my agenda with school and I didn't want to feel too tired. So I only worked out I think 2 days last week, so I'm feeling all that, but that's okay. We'll fall back in the coming week and do what we gotta do. But nonetheless, I got my workout in and that felt okay. Didn't felt good, but it felt okay. Handled it. Now we're heading out shopping and I'm gonna show you guys why we need to go shopping today. But first, somebody wanna say good morning.
Wagwan.
Today is
Halloween.
Yes. So we are going where later?
Trick or treat.
I love seeing the joy on their faces.
So what I going to put like
time.
costume?
The usual. Yeah, so we're heading out shopping. We're going to Primark. Love a nice little shopping at Primark. But now, here's the reason why we're going shopping. Well, this is a little reason why we're going to, but not as bad as the other reason. Tyler needs some shirt to go out. Tyler have a lot of school clothes, but to go out, he needs some of that. So, Sarah, come here. Come here, Sarah. Let me show you guys Sarah's outfit, and then you guys will understand why we need to go shopping. Come here. They woke up this morning and wanted to put on sticker tattoos. Stand here. Stand. You guys see Sarah's outfit? What you showing them? Your tattoos? He have a ghost on his hand and a pumpkin. Sarah have the same. But look at Sarah's outfit. Belly out and pants all the way up here, like she in water. When I pull it down, it will stay down, but the minute she goes up, it goes up with her. So Sarah don't have no outing clothes, so we have to go shopping.
No outing clothes
for Sarah. All of them short. She's growing up so much. So this little girl needs some clothes in her life. Watch her. Look at this. She needs some outfits. So we're going shopping today. You ready to go shopping?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, come down. Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Anyway, you guys, so there you go.
Eh? Wow. Hi, guys. She don't even show the fourth member. You like the fourth member just vanish and gone and just go away, and we are only three in this family. Just go.
The fourth member was just scrolling by, so I'm giving the fourth member time to do what he gotta do to then to come say good morning. I shouldn't have to tell the fourth member to come say good morning, right? So the fourth member come when he's ready. Right, guys? I'm wrong or I'm right?
She's wrong. Everything wrong. She's introducing everybody. So you say number one, number two, number three, number four.
He's right. He's right. He's right.
What's wrong?
He's right.
You want to say hello to Fizz? That's true, you didn't say hello.
It's a good thing I have my little daughter to show me love.
Come, say hello to Fizz. Sarah, say hello.
So why do I touch your belly?
Because.
So your mom putting on clothes that is half clothes.
If it's not too short, it's too big.
It's half clothes.
Tell them to take your shopping. I'm ready. Let's go. for a nap and send my boy to his room to be quiet. But I need to go and start my hair process, which is going to take a while. You know that when I'm doing my hair, it's an all-day thing for me when I don't have help, but that's okay. Can do that all by myself. But first, before I go and do that, I want to show you guys a few things that I pick up at Primark. So my bill at Primark was €150 flat, and here are all the things that I got. So I got Christmas pajama for Ty, and this was €10. Not bad, not too shabby. So I got him, I was hoping to get matching for everybody, but that wasn't the case because of the size. When you don't buy your Christmas pajama online, that's what happened. You rarely get everybody fit the same. So that's Christmas pajama for Ty. Shopping today was mostly for Tyler and Sarah, so you won't really see anything much that's not for the kids. So I got these two nice tops for Sarah, and this was for €9. And then I got these two leggings for her, which was for €5 for the two. I got this dress, which was €14. It was the most expensive thing on the list, and it also came with a leggings that matches the dress. So yeah, that's that. I got her this nice little pink dress, which was €6, which is cute. If they had this in other print, I would definitely take some, but they didn't. I got this one, which is kind of mostly Christmas dress. This was for €6, and then I got her this top. All these tops were €2.50 a piece, and I think I got her about 5 of those. We got her this hoodie. She don't have much hoodie with the zip at the front, which is easy for her, especially when she goes to school. So got this one, which was, how many euros were this one? This one was 7, and I got it in also pink. You wouldn't be sorry if you don't have pink in our outfits. I got her 2 tights. This was €5 for the two, pink and blue. The blue one had some prints on it, and the same type of shirt that I showed you earlier. I just got them in different colors, which was €2.50 a piece, because I don't have no clothes to go out, so it's only right that I got Sarah some shirts, some clothes. But I tried to keep her things as girly as possible. This one was for €5, as girly as possible. And then Tyler shirts coming up. We got this one for Ty. Tyler shirts were the same, €2.50 a piece. Got Sarah another set of leggings, because you guys know it's winter time, so leggings is a must. Got her 2, not leggings, tights. I got her these 2 leggings also. That was €5 for the 2, and more shirts for Ty. For Tyler, I have shirts for school, but Tyler don't have shirts to go out, and I hate putting him in the same ones for school going out. So I got him some new tops. This is Sarah Christmas pajama, and this one was, I think, €10. Also, no, 12 for Sarah one, I guess, because it's Mickey, so it's more expensive. And more shirt for Ty. More long sleeve for Ty. The Amos long sleeve fits. Also got Sarah this leggings. I realized that when you have girls, you buy a lot of leggings instead of jeans, or maybe because for me it's easy for Sarah to pull down and pull up her leggings than to put her in a jeans pants or a pants with belt. And then I saw this Christmas sweater for myself, and I got it. I got the match, so I got the pants and the top, and I got them in extra small, and each was €12. So that's the haul for today from Primark. It was a nice little shopping, so I enjoy that while I leave my husband to possibly take off the tags off of these clothes. He's like, is it right over there in front of me? I am going to go flat iron my hair, no, flat comb out my hair, elastic up my hair, and then braid my hair. I'm in for a long day and night, So guess what I am gonna do? I am going to go iron it. Lie. I'm going to move everything into the living room so I can have a TV to watch. Have a TV to watch while I do all of this, because I'm watching a series and it caught my attention, so at least I won't be too focused on the hair while I'm doing all that. So anyway, I'm gonna stop all the rambling and leave you guys, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Parted my hair. I finished elasticing up the back and I have to pause to jump into the kitchen. I don't know if you guys can hear me because my kids are so loud right now playing. I'm trying to cook dinner a little bit earlier than usual because I have to carry them trick or treat outside with the neighbors in like 45 minutes. So I want to finish cooking just in time to go. Guys, stop doing that. She said to get up. So for dinner I'm making macaroni and cheese. I am doing steamed cabbage and zucchini, and since I have broccoli in the fridge which I can give the kids, I have it definitely adding some hot pepper in it.
Careful to me too.
No, I'm not careful to you. No. You? We go Texas, go USA, go eat my mother spicy jerk chicken, and I don't hear a sound. I must be careful to you. No, I'm not sacrificing my pepper to please you that I know can eat pepper. No, I'm not doing it. No. I tell him, I will come back around to fight him. Go USA, go eat my mother hot jerk chicken and act like he never feel nothing. And come France to come tell me that my cooking too spicy, I must be careful. No, boo, we're gonna put the hot pepper in here.
There's a difference between eating chicken hot pepper and the veggies hot.
No, there's no difference. Pepper is pepper. He said there's a difference between eating pepper with chicken and pepper with veggies. Pepper is pepper, so if you can't take the pepper and the chicken, you can't take it everywhere. Right, things? Right. And look who is ready to go trick or treat. Hi.
Hi.
You ready?
Yeah.
We soon go, okay? You ready?
Yes.
We soon go in 10 minutes, okay? Okay?
Okay.
My baby's ready for trick or treat. Zara, you ready for trick or treat? What you gonna say? Trick or treat, right? No, go. It's time for trick or treat. Go. Go. Tyler, you got already? You got? Okay, good. Wow, Dimensi, Sarah, Dimensi. Good job. The rest is you.
C'est moi.
Un goût de saladier. Mes 2 sachets verts. Qui qu'on a pas eu? C'est ma bichette.
Sarah dit merci. Sarah dit merci.
C'est bon? Vous avez fait bon, ils sont déjà bons. Ouais.
Ils sont pas.
Attends, il arrive. Hein?
que vous voulez.
Oh my God! Xavier. This is outfit. Oh my god. Well, come, let's see all the candies you've received. You had fun? Yeah. You ready to eat? No, not this time. I was expecting. I know, but I mean.
I'm eating my marshmallow.
Oh, you got a marshmallow that's not in pa? Okay. We're just gonna eat a few tonight, okay?
How many, Maxime?
Oh yeah, they had so much fun.